So this is before. Oh, this shit's all peeled. And this is a vinyl kit that I bought. It was 20 bucks on eBay. Even came with like a little business card, and it came with these. Pretty neat, to be honest, for 20 bucks. So I did put it up to the thing, see if it'll line up. It looks like it's a pretty good fit, so I will put it on, show you guys after. So this is a finished product. I didn't have to do any cutting whatsoever. You kind of see where the vinyl starts, where it ends down here. But I mean, it looks pretty nice though. Way better than the faded look. So here it is from an angle. Here it is more up close. I mean, it's not the same kind of gloss, but you really can't tell though. Looks really, really good though. Really good for $20. Couldn't be any happier. By the time I put this on, the fading was all the way. Actually, you could kind of see it. All this was faded. But all in all, I mean, really did clean up the rear end a lot. But anyways, guys, hopefully you guys find it helpful. Peace.